In this video, I'll show you several methods you can use to fix AMD GPU Error Code 43 on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your AMD graphics card suddenly stopped working, isn't being detected properly, or Device Manager is displaying Error Code 43, then this guide is for you. This error is usually related to graphics drivers. In many cases, it happens after a Windows update, after installing a new AMD driver, or because some driver files became corrupted over time. The good news is that there are several ways to fix it, and I'll go through them one by one. Make sure you follow every step carefully, because skipping one of them may prevent the issue from being resolved. So, let's get started. Method 1. Reinstall the AMD driver. We'll begin with the easiest solution, which is completely removing the current AMD driver and allowing Windows to reinstall a working version. First, open Device Manager. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Windows plus X on your keyboard. A menu will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the list, click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for the section called Display Adapters and expand it. You should now see your AMD graphics card listed there. Right-click on your AMD GPU and select Properties. Now switch to the Driver tab. Here you'll find several options related to your graphics driver. Click on Uninstall Device. A confirmation window will appear. Before continuing, make sure you check the option that says Delete the driver software for this device. This step is important because it removes the current driver completely, instead of leaving damaged files behind. Now click Uninstall and wait until Windows finishes removing the driver. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, Windows may automatically install a previous working version of the AMD graphics driver. When Windows finishes loading, open Device Manager again and check whether the yellow warning icon has disappeared. If Error Code 43 is no longer showing, then the driver reinstall was successful. However, before moving on, there's one more thing you should do. Sometimes Windows automatically downloads the newest graphics driver during Windows Update. Unfortunately, if that driver is the one causing the problem, the same error may return after the next update. To prevent that from happening, it's recommended to disable automatic driver installation. Disable automatic driver. Updates, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. The Run dialog box will appear. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. This will open the System Properties window. Now click on the Hardware tab. Next, select Device Installation Settings. You'll now see a question asking whether Windows should automatically download manufacturer apps and custom icons for your devices. Choose No, then click Save Changes. This prevents Windows from automatically replacing your working AMD driver with another version that could trigger Error Code 43 again. Restart your computer one more time and see if the problem has been completely fixed. If you're still seeing Error Code 43, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Use AMD Cleanup Utility. If reinstalling the driver didn't solve the issue, it's possible that some corrupted AMD files are still left behind. A normal uninstall doesn't always remove everything. That's why AMD provides a tool called the AMD Cleanup Utility. This software performs a much deeper cleanup by removing leftover driver files, registry entries, and other components that a standard uninstall may miss. Many driver issues are actually caused by these leftover files, so using this tool often fixes problems that normal reinstallations cannot. I'll leave the official AMD Cleanup Utility download link in the description below. Open the page and scroll down until you find AMD Cleanup Utility for Windows. Download the utility directly from AMD's official website. Once the download finishes, run the program. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. The utility may ask you to restart your computer or enter safe mode. Allow it to complete the cleanup process. Once it's finished, restart your PC if prompted.